Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Help Sourav. I'm Sourav Dutta and today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So fix the problem, follow my all steps, don't skip the video. So first I will restart the computer or laptop. Restart your computer, a simple reboot can often resolve temporary glitches. After restarting, open the laptop and check if the Wi-Fi option is not showing. If it is not showing, then go to the another solution. So follow me to fix the problem. To check and enable WLAN auto config service on a Windows PC, first press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, then type services.msc and press enter. In the services window, scroll down the list to find the WLAN autoconfig services. Once you find the WLAN autoconfig, double click on it. Then find the startup type drop down menu. Select automatic from the drop down. If the services status shows stop, click the start button. Then click apply, then OK to save the changes. Restarting your computer will ensure that the services start correctly with the new setting. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.